Hello everybody, my name is Dr. John Oda, and thank you so much for joining me. I'm excited. Now, if you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, a medical practice, you're in the right spot. So let me, of course, reiterate of who I am again. I had a privilege and honor of working with the late Chet Holmes, Tony Robbins, Jay Abraham, Scott Holman, Gary Vee, and my guy, the list goes on. I'm not saying this to impress you. Honest with you, it impressed me. And I feel honored of being around that environment for almost a decade. It was one of the best environments that I ever had. It challenged me to be the best person I can be. And each and every day I take that same energy to my own business and to grow it as well. So here it goes. Here's what I'm offering, guys. I'm offering a way to make your business grow. To make your business grow exponentially, right? And I know everybody heard of this thing called multiple streams of income. You heard of that? Beautiful. So have I. What if I tell you that I can help you create a multiple streams of income in your business? Yeah. You don't have to do, basically if you have 8 or 9 different streams of income coming through, you'll be a millionaire. Am I correct? So here's what I want you to ask you. In your business right now, how many streams of income do you actually have? Most people say about 1 or 2. Okay, fine. I'm going to show you today of how to get multiple streams of income inside your business. And what we do is a little bit different than most. So let me explain to you how we actually work so you can be on the same page. Imagine an architecture, right? And you do these beautiful buildings. And the buildings are just freaking amazing. I wonder, it was 2012 or 13, I went to Dubai. The building was just amazing. Oh my God. It was just the glass and the structure and there that gold, but it was beautiful, right? We're not the architects, I'm sorry. What we are, what I do and my team does, we are the civil engineer. We work for the structure. We look at the drainage, the sewers, all that nasty work. We do the grunt work. Right? But as you guys know in the business, if you have a strong foundation, your business can grow. You can have a strong foundation on sand and your business can grow. So what we do is we build a strong foundation. Another thing that we do is a little bit different, is we build multiple streams of income in your own business. Because most people, they want to do the fancy stuff, the big stuff that's going to make them money in 3 to 5 years. Now, as you guys know this, right? The first year anybody's in business, right? 50% of the businesses fail. 50%, wow. In 5 years, 80%. In 10 years, 96% businesses fail. After 10 years, only 4% of business make it, and that's it. No more and no less. Why? My thinking is, they didn't use profit stations inside their business. So you probably told them, okay, what's a profit station? Okay, you built it up, what's a profit station? Okay, here it goes. A profit station to me, I give you an example. Do you have a systemized referral program? So every time someone leaves your office or XYZ, you ask them for a referral. I was working with this doctor about 4 or 5 years ago. He said, and he's a dentist, he said, yeah, we do it. He had like 4 offices, right? He said, yeah, we do it. I said, great, can I call him up and find out? He said, Coach, go right ahead. I said, not a problem. And I said, listen to me. So I called up the like office manager and said, listen to me, you're not gonna get in trouble. It's my job is to figure out what the gaps is going on is in your business to see if we can help out. I said, just be honest. I said, out of 10 people, how many people that you asked for is referrals? Then she said, wait a minute, we get so busy, we can't do it that much, about 2 out of the 10. I said, okay. I called up the next office, like 3, and then 4, and then I think one was like 5 or 6. I did all the math, added up for 2 years, he lost $2.7 million. Just listen to me, $2.7 million. He won't get that money back. It's done, it's gone, it's through. It's done. That's just one. I have 20 different profit stations. In 1 year, we can probably put in about 9 to 12. Depends on, we should put a profit station in between 4 to 6 weeks. And we systemize it. Now you're working for the referral, and each 4 to 6 weeks, you have different streams of income coming inside your business. And some might get 3 or 4. Money's money, doesn't make a difference. Some might get 20. Some might get even 100. I grew this company. It was a medical practice. They did EKGs, if I'm not mistaken, right? I took them from $300,000 to $7 million. We only did 3 profit stations. That was it. No more. Honest with you, we should have been about 15 or 16 million, but they stopped. And that's a choice, right? But here it goes, the system works. And what we also do is we focus on where is your business at, right? So imagine a baby, right? So the baby's born. Your business is born. Congratulations. Then from the born stage, right, it's infancy. Okay. And then for a business, they go through a terrible twos. Can you imagine going through a terrible twos? Remember when your kid went through a terrible twos, or your niece or your nephew? Do you know how daunting that was? Right? So when you go through those terrible twos, right, it hurts. For a business that's trying to get their identity, they don't know their identity. Don't know what's taking place. I mean, they try to help people help them out. The office manager who does a great job doesn't have business experience, right? Some of the doctors, they can't communicate and relate to some of the staff members there, so it's a challenge, right? Or else we have a business owner who have sales teams, but they can't relate or actually take place, right? So we have all these things taking place, right? But then what do you do? But then we go from the terrible twos, we go for teenagers. Oh my God. Teenagers are worse, right? They think they know everything. That business owner is saying, they're teenagers, I looked at them, they're teenagers. They're in the go-go stages, and then say, listen to me, I don't need a business coach, I can do it myself. By the results that you're getting, yeah, you need somebody. But they're in the teenager stages, I can do it by myself. Or else they hire me for a month or 2, they figure out they know what's going on, and they do it themselves, and the business, guess what happened? Fail. Why? As they say, 50% of the businesses fail after 1 year. And the reason why is they don't have expert guidance guiding them through, right? Then we go from teenagers to the great stage I like is young adult. Young adult stages, man, they're 25, 30. Listen to me, I'm not going to go there. I've been there, it didn't work. Let me find somebody who can help me out. Let me find expert advice to help me out. To help me build my business, build my systems, do X, Y, and Z, grow my team, help me out to make me even better, create profit stations so now my business can grow. And last but not least, we want to be in the maturity stages, right? Where we have everything going, money's flowing in like honey. But here's the sad thing about it, guys. We have to go through every step. Some of us don't go through every step, even in life. I have friends of mine that I graduated with, they're still teenagers, thinking. Teenager mindset, but they're my age, which is sad, right? But your business has to go through, and sometimes I can take a business through it in a couple weeks to a month, right? If they identify where they're at. But that's what we do. What I focus on, guys, is first and foremost is the mindset. You can have the best products and services possible, but if you don't have the right mindset, then you can double your business, not gonna happen. Or maybe somebody told you that you can't do it, or somebody gave you this negativity and you believe it. We have to eliminate all that. Then we focus on, of course, it's the profit stations to figure out how to grow your business exponentially, right? This program is self-funded. The reason why I say self-funded after a month or 2, my strategy is going to pay me. And it's that easy, right? So it's self-funded. If you follow what I say, your business can grow. I've grown every business I've touched in the last 20 some odd years. I doubled everybody's business. It's easy, right? But here's what I do guarantee, right? A lot of business coaches, they don't guarantee anything, but I do guarantee because I believe in what I do. And I believe what I do is really special, right? I guarantee if you've been with me for at least 1 year, I'll grow your business 25%. If I don't, I'll give you back your money. Because if I don't, to be truly honest with you, I didn't do my job, right? Business is very easy. People make it so hard, right? People always say, well, why you be a business coach? First and foremost, I love people. To me, it's just like when I was in my counseling days. But I like the transformation, right? I go through the metamorphosis. It's going from a caterpillar to a butterfly. And the metamorphosis is when you grow your business. Oh my God. You can take your family out. You have money for days. You got profit right now. Money, you didn't worry about money because money is flowing like honey for you, right? But at the end of it, you're a butterfly now. You look differently, you act differently, you eat differently, you do business completely different. That is my drive, and that's my passion that I have, right? Is that metamorphosis. But if you grow your business less than 25%, I didn't do my job. Take back your money. I don't care. It's about changing people's lives. When I work with business, it's not working with the business. I work with it's me, when I see a business owner, I see that I'm working with the family. I don't have to deal with the family, but I work with the family. Because when your business succeed, your family get the benefit. That's what drives me about business coaching. That's what drives me about helping people. That is my passion. That is my outcome. Right? So listen to me. I know I spoke for a long time, but thank you so much. Click below and believe me, this program will totally change the quality of your life. I guarantee it. Take care and always God bless. Bye for now.